Hey, beautiful souls! Wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract their desires? It's as if the universe conspires in their favor. They land dream jobs, find soulmates, and achieve financial abundance with uncanny ease. While it might seem like magic, the truth is simpler yet profound. It's a matter of understanding the nature of reality and harnessing the power of your mind. Let's get into a secret that has been whispered about for ages, a secret that changed the lives of countless individuals. It's a principle that, once grasped, can revolutionize your world. At the core of this secret lies the understanding that your imagination is not merely a playground for daydreams, it's the architect of your reality. Every thought, every image you conjure is a blueprint for your life. This isn't philosophical mumbo-jumbo, it's a scientific fact. Your brain doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's imagined. When you vividly imagine something, your body responds as if it's happening right now. This physiological response sends powerful signals to the universe, attracting circumstances, people, and events that align with your imagined reality. Now, let's talk about the speed of manifestation. Why do some people see their desires materialize almost overnight, while others struggle for years? The answer lies in the quality of your imagination. It's not just about seeing the desired outcome, it's about feeling it deeply. When you immerse yourself in the emotions of your desired reality, you're sending a more potent signal to the universe. It's like tuning a radio to a specific frequency. The clearer the signal, the stronger the reception. To accelerate your manifestations, practice what is often called assumption. Assume that your desire is already a reality. Live as if it's true. Walk, talk, and feel as if you already possess what you seek. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's a game changer. By assuming the end result, you're aligning your energy with the desired outcome, making it easier for the universe to deliver. The external world is a reflection of your inner world. If you're filled with doubt and fear, that's what you'll attract. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, gratitude, and faith. Believe in the infinite possibilities of the universe. And most importantly, be patient. Manifestation is a process, not a magic trick. Enjoy the journey and trust that your desires are unfolding in perfect timing. The key to rapid manifestation is to combine vivid imagination with deep-seated belief. Feel the emotions of your desired reality as if it's happening now. Assume it's true and live accordingly. Maintain a positive mindset and trust in the universe's timing. By following these principles, you're setting the stage for extraordinary variations in your life. Imagine if you had the key to unlocking this secret, changing your life in ways you never thought possible. The truth is, this secret exists, and it's simpler than you might think. Understanding and applying it can bring your dreams into reality with astonishing speed. The foundation of this secret lies in the power of your imagination and the feeling of already having what you desire. The concept is simple. You must assume the feeling of the wish being fulfilled. This means living in the state of your desired outcome as if it has already happened. When you do this, you align your inner world with your outer desires, creating a powerful force that draws your manifestations into your physical reality. The first step in this process is to have a clear and vivid image of what you want. It's not enough to merely think about it. You must immerse yourself in the experience. See it in your mind's eye, feel the emotions associated with it, and believe it is already yours. This mental rehearsal creates a blueprint that your subconscious mind follows, turning your thoughts into tangible results. Your imagination is the workshop where all your dreams are crafted. By consistently focusing on your desired outcome and feeling its reality, you impress this image upon your subconscious mind. The subconscious, in turn, communicates with the infinite intelligence of the universe, bringing forth circumstances and opportunities that align with your vision. This is the creative process in action, and it all starts with the power of your imagination. One of the most critical aspects of this practice is the feeling state. It's the emotional charge behind your thoughts that fuels the manifestation process. When you feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude of already having what you desire, you create a vibrational match to your goal. This alignment is what attracts your desires into your life with ease and speed. It's important to note that this isn't about forcing or striving. The process of manifestation is one of allowing and receiving. By maintaining a relaxed and confident attitude, you open yourself to the flow of the universe. Trust that your desires are on their way and remain patient as they unfold in perfect timing. This sense of trust and surrender is crucial for the manifestation process to work seamlessly. Many people struggle with maintaining this state of belief and feeling, especially when faced with external circumstances that seem contrary to their desires. It's during these times that persistence and faith are essential. Continue to affirm your desired outcome, regardless of what appears to be happening in the outside world. Your outer reality is a reflection of your inner state. By changing your inner world, you inevitably change your external circumstances. A practical technique to help you stay in the feeling state is to practice gratitude. Being thankful for what you already have creates a positive vibration that attracts more of the same into your life. Start each day by listing things you are grateful for and feel the appreciation in your heart. This simple practice shifts your focus from lack to abundance, reinforcing the belief that you are deserving of all the good that life has to offer. It's not enough to merely think about what you want. You must feel it deeply. Imagine the sensations, the tastes, the sounds of your desired reality. The more vivid your imagination, the more potent the signal you send to the universe. It's like painting a picture with emotions. The brighter the colors, the clearer the image. For instance, if you desire financial abundance, don't just think about the numbers in your bank account. Feel the freedom it brings, the joy of generosity, the security of knowing you can provide for yourself and loved ones. Let those emotions wash over you. Doubt is the biggest obstacle. It's the whisper that tells you it's impossible or you're not good enough. Don't listen. Replace doubt with faith. Every great achievement started as a dream. The world's most successful people were once faced with skepticism. Their belief in themselves was their greatest asset. When challenges arise, see them as opportunities for growth. Every obstacle is a setup for a triumph. Instead of focusing on the problem, focus on the solution. Shift your perspective. What appears as a mountain can be a stepping stone when viewed from a different angle. While your inner world is paramount, the outer world plays a role. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. Their energy can uplift you. However, you are responsible for your own happiness. Don't seek validation from others. Your worth comes from within. People might not understand your journey. They might offer unsolicited advice or doubt your abilities. Gently but firmly, establish your boundaries. Your path is unique, and only you know what's best for you. You are a limitless being. The only limitations are the ones you create in your mind. Break free from those chains. Step into your power. You are ready to manifest a life beyond your wildest dreams. The beauty of this practice is that it can be applied to any area of your life. Whether you seek better health, improved relationships, financial abundance, or personal growth, the principles remain the same. Your imagination is a powerful tool that can create miracles in every aspect of your life. Think of this journey with a sense of excitement and wonder, knowing that you are the creator of your reality. Incorporate these practices into your daily routine and observe the changes that occur. Begin each day with a clear intention of what you wish to manifest. Spend a few minutes visualizing and feeling your desired outcome. Repeat positive affirmations that reinforce your belief in your ability to create your reality. Throughout the day, maintain an attitude of gratitude and self-love. As you go about your daily activities, stay mindful of your thoughts and emotions. Whenever you catch yourself slipping into doubt or fear, gently bring your focus back to your desired outcome. Remember that your inner state is the key to manifesting your outer reality. By staying aligned with your vision, you create a powerful magnetic field that attracts your desires into your life. The journey of manifestation is not just about achieving specific goals, but about becoming the best version of yourself. It's about realizing your full potential and living a life that is true to who you are. This journey requires courage, commitment, and a willingness to explore the depths of your soul. But the rewards are immeasurable. You'll discover a sense of peace, purpose, and joy that transcends the ups and downs of life. You hold the key to unlock a world of infinite possibilities. This isn't about luck or chance. It's about understanding your innate power. You are the creator, the artist, painting the masterpiece of your life. Every thought, every feeling is a brushstroke on that canvas. Choose wisely. Fill your mind with vibrant colors of joy, abundance, and love. Your reality is a reflection of that inner palette. Don't let fear or doubt dim your brilliance. You are capable of extraordinary things. Believe in yourself, even when no one else does. Your faith in your abilities is your greatest asset. This journey is yours alone. Seek guidance, but trust your intuition. Your inner compass knows the way. Celebrate your successes. Learn from your challenges. Every step forward brings you closer to your dreams. Ready to step into your power? Hit that like button to amplify your intention. Subscribe to this channel for more tools to master your reality. Let's create a wave of variation together.